How to remove someone from best friend list on Snapchat. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your Snapchat application on your device and you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface from where you will be able to create various Snapchat videos and also take snap photos. So firstly, you have to tap on your profile option at the left upper corner. And from over here, you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see My Friends option. You have to simply go for My Friends and you'll be able to see your best friends list over here. So before removing someone from your best friend list, you need to know that if you regularly send snaps to someone and they also send you snaps regularly, then the Snapchat will detect them as your best friend and it will automatically add them to your best friend list. So this is how your making best friend in Snapchat works. And another thing is there is no any option for removing someone from your best friend list. For the simple way you can follow it, you have to stop sending your snaps. By doing that, the snap will detect that you are no longer friends or you do not interact much, and soon it will remove them from your best friend list. So this is how you remove someone from best friend list on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.